Toronto, and I want to support my Tibetan brothers and sisters because everyone deserves freedom and everyone deserves human rights. So that's why I'm here today.
She's a very ethical person. We go to many protests together, and I go every year, and she wanted to join to support the whole Tibetan community.
Yeah.
So do you have any message to Tibetan youth?
I just want to say to keep supporting your country and keep fighting for your rights because you deserve it. And if you keep fighting, then you're going to win. Because when we fight, we win every time. So that's
Okay.
what I want to say.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Tochana.
Okay.
비링 어제 깨발레래 가시네라나 배랑전나야 protest 치기에 되시나 대랭이 개민저 페이스 디 토레 원디치네 캠보친레
Let's say Tochana.
대랭 김불라 나 원차 페바 임바 아니 갸가낭라 부 페베 미든조 갸가라 캡추치레 아니 세 갸간조 콘소 세기어라 so konzo dela share yomare so teringa dela protest share yongi
China killed so much Tibetan families in Tibet. That's why we are so sad.
We're here like today to protest because in Tibet, since 1959, China invaded Lhasa, causing Kongsa Cho to go to India in exile. In Tibet, after Kongsa Cho left, a bunch of people self-immolated, almost 159 people in Tibet self-immolated themselves because they wanted Kongsa Cho to come back to Tibet and for Tibet to be free. 10 people outside of Tibet also self-immolated themselves because global attention for Tibet, Tibet.
Tochana. Oh yeah.
na gimila yoin khasna ni China Gamin's Chinese government CCP minzu na shi pe like take over na shi chide so nga de di khasna nga de
Ani ondi drink game bu kharjeyo ra.
zu pegelo na shi lagya
Toigelo.
pegelo
Oh yeah yeah. Tochana lo.